Hey, what's going on everybody? My name is Marissa Romero, and in this video I wanted to talk about an extremely cool topic, and that is how to create a business, an internet business that creates $1,000 per day in commissions or sales and revenue for you online while traveling the world, and really cracking the code to figuring out how it is to have that time and location freedom that you've always wanted, because bottom line, it's about freedom, guys. So in this video I'm going to talk about how you can do this and how I've been able to generate these types of commissions and sales for myself online while traveling the world. Welcome back to this video, guys. My name is Marissa Romero, and if you are arriving on this channel, and if it is your first time, welcome to my channel. What I talk about on this channel is a lot of things relating to freedom, because I talk about how to build an online business from scratch, whether you're a beginner, intermediate, advanced marketer. Something for you is on this channel. I also post videos about my lifestyle and worldwide travels right now. I am in my Airbnb apartment in beautiful Medellin, Colombia. So if any of what I just mentioned interests you, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, because I upload videos very consistently and you won't want to miss a thing. Now, if you guys are excited about learning how to build an internet business that could produce this much income for you, go ahead and type in the comments internet business so I get a feel of who's interested and who wants to see more. Maybe I'll make a part 2, a part 3, and go more in depth, alright? But if you do me a favor and smash that like button, I'd highly appreciate it. Okay, so I get asked this question a whole lot, pretty much every day, and that is, Marissa, how do you travel the world and make money? And so this brings me to, a great point that I wanted to bring up, and I wanted to document and talk about today specifically because I had $1,000 a day yesterday. I think it was, it'll pop up in the screen, but then I also had over $1,000 commissions and sales today, and this is just from promoting one offer online. I mean, I have several offers set up online that I promote, and I'm able to make money in my internet and specifically called affiliate marketing business, and I'll talk about that here in a second. But I wanted to let you guys know that these results are very, very possible for you, and at one point it was just a dream for me. Okay, so part 1 in being able to create results like these and these and that and that and that and that over and over is to, I mean, this may sound obvious, this may sound lame, but I'm gonna write this down on my whiteboard. That is to believe you can do it. Because without belief and without your vision, you won't have the mindset to accomplish what it takes to build the foundation of a good online business. Now, believe me when I tell you that literally you can online-atize or make any business, passion, anything you have, you can pretty much bring it online, okay? But for example, you can be a real estate agent and create an online business, and you may be thinking, how? Let's say you're a really good real estate agent, okay, and all these other up-and-coming realtors are looking to you to figure out how to do it. One thing you could do to bring together your online presence and to create an income for yourself online, and not just in person and on the ground and handshaking and selling homes, is you can develop a brand online teaching other realtors how to become a successful realtor. So you could have digital products, you can build a brand, you can create educational courses. There's so many things literally you can do to make an additional income while making more money and also serving others. Now, there's hundreds of examples I could give on how to, online-atize any type of business, literally. And also, the up-and-coming new thing is bringing your brand and business onto Amazon, because Amazon is now no longer going to be just, selling and buying physical products. There's going to be a way to have your digital services on there, but we can get into that topic in a future video. But the point I'm trying to make is, keep in mind that you can monetize online any type of passion you have. The next thing I wanted to point out, and the reason why I've been able to have much success online, is because I actually believe in the power of this word here and this tool. Well, not really tool, but this here, and that is leverage. Okay. What I do online is actually called affiliate marketing. Yes, what I do is called affiliate marketing, and as I'm erasing my whiteboard, what affiliate marketing is actually the skill and the practice of leveraging other people's products and getting an affiliate link created specifically for you, and you selling those products online and earning a commission for the sale that you bring to them. So that could be a commission of 10%, up to 50%, and sometimes even 100% on front-end products. And sometimes as people go through this person's sales funnel, you could make even more money on higher priced back-end products. So the point I'm trying to make here is that I've been able to leverage the power of using other people's products to sell. I don't need to create my own products. I don't have to do my own fulfillment. I don't have to ship anything. It's purely the skill of learning how to sell other people's products. Think of it as having a referral program that you're constantly in. So I strongly believe that affiliate marketing is the most powerful way to get started with an online business and be able to have the time and location freedom you've been wanting, and to be able to travel the world wherever you want, okay? The first step in building an affiliate marketing business, now keep in mind that the reason why I mentioned expertise and passion and all that stuff is because if you're going to start an affiliate marketing business, you're going to have to do it in an industry that you love, that you have a passion for, because you are going to have to deliver loads and loads of valuable content to the marketplace. What do I mean by marketplace? I mean the land of social media. I mean, you know, the land of the interwebs, stuff like that. So you are going to have to be willing to create content, give value, tell people how to solve their problems in whatever niche it is. Like going back to the real estate example, you're gonna have to, you know, explain to new realtors potentially how to get their first sale. I mean, it's that simple. So with me, for example, I have a YouTube channel where I help solve people's problems. I help solve their problems of how to do different things online that'll help their online affiliate marketing business. So with that being said, you're going to have to become an influencer. So what exactly does that mean, to become an influencer? Well, let me first say that being an influencer is by far the #1 real proven way to make money online. Okay, if you have an influence, you can sell anything you want. If you have a brand with a passionate following, and when I say influence, I kind of use that interchangeably with brand, whether it's a personal brand name or you know, maybe you brand a company's type name, and that's a name that's not your personal name, it's still a brand. It's still a brand that represents a mission, that has an influence over people that are following that brand. So my advice is that people, if you're wanting to start a business of any type, but especially an online business, you are going to have to start, you know, giving value to the marketplace. So picking a platform, or several, but one at first, and going hard on that platform. So maybe you're gonna start a blog, or you're gonna start a YouTube channel, which I 120,000 million % recommend, because video marketing is the second best thing to meeting somebody in person. Okay, so you're going to have to provide value, blog posts, videos, Instagram posts, to give value and to tell people specifically what it is, you know, what you do and how to solve things, how to solve people's real life problems. And so literally, as you grow your brand and as you grow your influence, you will be able to sell anything it is you want online, not just affiliate products, but also later on when you want to create your own products, because I guarantee you're going to want to create your own products as well. Yes, I do have my own online digital courses that I sell as well, so I am able to monetize my own courses, but I make most of my income from affiliate marketing and selling other people's products. So There's a whole lot of technical aspects to building an online affiliate marketing business. However, the hardest part literally is deciding that, one, you're going to commit and believe in yourself that you can do it, and then two, be ready to give value and build an online presence in whatever niche it is you're passionate about and have an expertise in. So with that being said, guys, I invite you to check out more of my videos in the first link in the description of this video, because that literally walks you through exactly, you know, what to do step by step and to develop more of the technical skills that you need, and so that you can have, you know, the income streams with hard work, of course, disclaimer, that I've been able to generate online while traveling to beautiful South America, to Southeast Asia as well. So I hope this video made sense and hopefully inspired you guys to get something going or to continue on in your online business or whatever point you're at. So with that being said, thanks again for tuning into this video, and I will see you guys very soon on the next video. Take care.